Here's all I got fall related. It's the pumpkin spice from Starbucks. There's 72 pods in there, and I love that it's made without artificial flavors because that's very hard to find in a coffee. There was $5 off either through the coupon book or the app, so my final price on that was $32.99. I also just got a pound of the pre-sliced cheese already. The last time I got the cheese there, it was like sliced, like it wasn't overly thick, but it was on the thick side, and I usually don't get it sliced thick, but I really liked it. So I needed cheese, and I figured I'd try it out again. Stock up. We're working on one that I just recently opened, so I got another one because my goal is to stay out of there until it's time to shop for Christmas again. So I kind of loaded up on my regulars there. This is a 6-pound bag of taters for $5.99, so equals $1 a pound, which is really good. I got 2 of the Arm & Hammers. I always get these, and I wasn't going to get all these, which there's 6 in total, but they usually sell them for $2.50 lately, and they had them for $2.19. So I decided to go ahead and grab 6 because, again, I don't want to go again before Christmas, and I use a lot of this between cleaning and laundering. only bought 2 pieces out of their fall line this year. Between the hurricane and the lack of employees that's happening right now, it's really had an impact around here as far as the way stores are putting things out, or even the amount of stuff that they have. I've really seen quite a change from previous years. It's actually very noticeable. Even last year with the stores closing down and stuff, I think everybody was still trying to work before all this unemployment stuff happened. So even then, it seemed like the stores were better stocked. They were having less trouble getting their shelves stocked. First thing I got was this little thankful sign. Kind of reminds me of like the ones that flip that says kitchen closed, kitchen open. I really like this shade of orange, and I didn't find the price bad. It was only $4, and of course, you know, I got it for decor. But I like to get things like this for the simple reason is more than just the look of the decor. I like certain things like this because it's a personal reminder to me. When I see it, it triggers certain things. And as you can see, this one says thankful. The second one was this rug, which I actually filmed when I was in the store because I didn't have any intentions of getting it when I first saw it. But as I was going on, I'm like, ooh, this is like so pretty for like the beginning of, which I refer to autumn, and then for some of the fall season, depending on the climate that we have here. But I thought that these colors would just be perfect for, you know, decorating. And my plan for this was to use this in front of my patio door, and I don't find the price bad at all for $6. I'm gonna do some vlogging stuff, so stick around. The shirt that I have on, I thrifted for only $4, and I think the back of it is really pretty. This area that we're in, the few times I have been in it on Instagram, if you're with me, right there, has always been a mess of home renovations that needed to be completed, and the house is nowhere done, but this area at least doesn't look like a wreck anymore, minus the floor. That's going to be one of the very last things that is going to get done here. It's time to change out the fragrance scents throughout the house. So in my laundry room, the warmer that I have is from Walmart, and this is the refills. And I'm going to add this pumpkin and chai. I haven't used this one before. Not sure if that's new this year, if it's been out before, but this is the first time that I have seen it at Walmart, and I jumped on it. I also need to replace this one and this one, but I ran out of wallflowers. We're in the lower level of the house right now. I am going to switch over to all wallflowers, but for now I need to use up the inventory that I do have. So I'm going to take this cashmere wood and use it in that Glade plug-in. This dark paneling makes it so dark down here. Also, the lighting is horrible. I'm hoping that's something I do change to, but we are going to lighten all of this up, make it a nice white bright, and it should help tremendously down here. In the third outlet down here, I do use the refills from Yankee Candle. I was buying those before I tried out the wallflowers, and I still have some left. Hi, Lick! Around this time of day, I like to burn my 3-wick candles. So here in my kitchen, I'm going to be lighting this one up. In my bedroom, I'm switching gears over to Halloween, and I'm going to be using this vampire blood one. speaking of Halloween, I need to replenish my small paper plates and my 8-inch paper plates. So I'm going to go ahead and do that with these Halloween ones. I keep my 10-inch ones right there. I also need to replenish those, but I'm completely out whether they're just regular print or Halloween ones. So now I'm going to buy some, and I'm going to buy Halloween ones. I also have the matching napkins to those small plates. And look at how happy these little guys are. I think everybody in the world should be as happy as these guys are. I'm hungry, and I made beef tips with carrots and potatoes yesterday, so I'm gonna have some of this to hold me off until dinner. That was good. I was hungry. I'm also going to insert a clip of what we're gonna have for dinner after I say my goodbyes. I am so glad you stuck around and vlogged with me. If you like this kind of combo, let me know by hitting that thumbs up. That is a great way for me to gauge that you want me to keep doing more of it. I want to know all about how your fall is going so far. If you've already started to step into the Halloween mode, let me know by leaving me a comment below, because I love to hear from you. It is my favorite part. Bye.